How to enable or disable SharePlay on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Allow Apps and Features. Now in here, tap on SharePlay. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Once you turn this on, you will be able to use SharePlay. Otherwise, it will not work. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.